Honestly, affirmations never really worked for me until I found out the reason why. Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Namrita and I'm a self-development and mindset coach. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why affirmations don't work and what you can do to make them work for you. But before I get right into it, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about mindfulness, emotional healing, law of attraction and much more. And also hit that bell icon to get notified every time I drop a video. Affirmations, to be honest, really sounded like a bizarre and fake concept to me in the beginning. Ever since I actively started working on self-development and studying all the information that was out there, I kept coming across affirmations. Initially, I would skip through it because it did not resonate with me. All the advice I came across at that time was how to just flip the script and repeat positive statements multiple times. So if I felt that I was not good enough, the advice was that I had to just say I am good enough about 100 times and that it would work. The focus was always on thinking positive, which according to me felt quite misleading. As I have delved further into the subject, I have understood how and why affirmations work. But what are affirmations? Affirmations are nothing but your self-talk. What you say to yourself in the confines of your mind all day, every second, every moment, whether it's consciously or subconsciously, whether it's true or false, whether it's right or wrong, is basically an affirmation. Here are 3 reasons why positive affirmations will not work and what you can do to make them work for you. The first reason is that the tense is incorrect. If your affirmation starts with I will or I am going to, which is essentially the future tense, then it's not going to work. Also, statements like want and wish imply that you don't already have your desire, so the affirmation will not work. So how do you make it work? Use the present tense. Use I am or I have statements, and if that feels too far-fetched for you, tweak it. Tweak it to I am willing to, or I am open to, or I choose to, for starters. And when it starts to resonate, then you can switch to I am or I have. See, affirmations need to get clearance from your conscious mind to go past into your subconscious. That is where all the magic happens. And your conscious mind may accept a statement like I want to be rich and send it over to your subconscious, but that want will always be in the future. Another thing is that your subconscious mind only understands the present moment. It does not have any concept of time. But essentially, it is your subconscious will only understand the present moment. That's why it's important to write your statements or your affirmations in the present tense. The second reason why your affirmations will not work is because you do not feel them. Now, if you state an affirmation and it doesn't evoke a positive emotion or it doesn't resonate with you, then it won't work. Now, while it's true that thoughts have power to create your reality, it needs emotion to seal the deal. See, if I have felt scarcity of money all my life, just affirming I am rich 200 times a day is not going to help. It's just an empty affirmation which will never make it past my conscious mind. See, the conscious mind is your logic and reasoning mind. It will reject the statement instantly and send you flashes of the many times you did not have enough money just to remind you. Affirmation will only work if you can get it into your subconscious mind, and the subconscious understands emotions more than words. So how do you make it work? Now, as I mentioned in point number 1, you need to reword your affirmations. So I am willing to be rich sounds more doable and acceptable and reasonable than just a plain I am rich. Always check to see how an affirmation feels to you. Is it evoking a feeling of fear, worry, doubt, skepticism, or is it evoking feelings of hope, excitement and happiness? That is going to be the indication whether your affirmation is working or not. This brings me to the final point. Why affirmations won't work is because you do not act as if it's true. Now, affirmations are powerful and they do work. However, I wish I could also add that they are magical and that if you just sat on your sofa for 10 minutes a day reciting them, then it would manifest. How awesome would that be? But alas, it's not that simple and you have to put in some work and some effort. Now, it's important to always keep a check on where your focus is. Are you focusing on the current reality where your desire has not manifested yet? or are you focusing on its presence? Energy flows where attention goes. If you continue to focus on your surroundings that show you temporary proof that what you want isn't here yet, then that is what you'll get more of. So instead, I say ignore the current reality or the proof and focus on what you want to attract. Focused on shifting so that you can build momentum around it and manifest it quicker. So how do you make this work? Let's say you want to manifest confidence while public speaking. Now, along with affirming that I am a confident public speaker, you need to also act as if your wish has already come true. So ask yourself, how does a confident public speaker act? They would grab any opportunity to speak in front of an audience without hesitation. So actively seek out opportunities to speak in front of a group of people, even if it is in front of 1 or 2 people. Then before you go on stage, say to yourself, I got this, I'm a confident public speaker, and allow yourself to fully feel what that means. What does it feel to be confident while speaking in public? See, all of us have experienced confidence at some time in our lives. Even if you're not an inherently confident person, I'm sure that you have an idea as to what confidence feels like. So it's all about drawing in from that experience and that understanding and bringing it into this. And initially it does require courage to step out of your comfort zone, but the more you practice acting as if you already have what you want, the faster you will manifest it. See, if you're new to affirmations, I suggest you start with something small for practice, and as your affirmations attract your desires, you will build confidence and get better at it. The self-development is a lifelong and ongoing journey, and so be sure to be kind and patient with yourself. So if you tried these tips out, then leave a comment below letting me know how it went for you, and I would love your feedback and I would love to hear from you. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.